Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, we have to implement the function getBinaryRepresentation, which accepts an integer n as its argument, and it finds the binary representation of n as a doubly linked list. And finally, we have to return the head. So now we'll take our first test case. So in our first test case, the integer n is 10. So we have to find the binary value for this integer n. That is, the binary representation of the integer 10 will be 1010. So we have to print it as the doubly linked list, and we should return the head as the output. Now we'll take our next test case. Here the integer n is 25. So for this test case, the binary value of n will be 11001. So we are going to print it as a doubly linked list, and we are going to return the head. So this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. So here we have the function getBinaryRepresentation, which accepts integer n as parameter. So here we have our array of size 101 and array length equal to 0 initially, and then we'll have a while loop where the condition is n greater than 0, and inside this while loop we'll have the array of array len plus plus equal to n mod 2. So here, and after that we'll have n must be divided by 2, and then after this while loop we are going to have the struct node, and here we'll have the asterisk head equal to null, and the tail, that is asterisk tail, will be equal to null, and here we'll have a for loop inside which we are going to iterate from the array len of -1 to 0 in the reverse side, that is from the back, and inside this loop we are going to assign struct node new pointer new node equal to the str, that is struct node in node asterisk malloc. So we are going to allocate the memory for it using the malloc function, and after this here we'll have the new node as next equal to null, and the new node will be pointing towards the previous, and that will be pointing towards null, and then we'll have the new node that is pointing towards the value which is equal to the array of CTR. So here it is equal to, and now we are going to check the condition, that is if the head is equal to null, then the head will be equal to the new node, and the tail will be equal to new node. And in the else part, we will have the new node pointing towards the previous, which is equal to tail, and then the tail will be pointing towards next equal to new node, and then the tail is equal to tail, which is pointing towards next, and finally we are going to return the head as the output. So this is the required program.